Hello, good morning to all. Today we are just going to discuss about what is pronoun. It is one type of it is a part of speech, that is what is a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. To avoid the repetition of the noun, we always use pronoun. So it will, suppose if it is given a Ram is going to market, a Ram is purchasing different kind of materials or articles, a Ram is drinking water, so and so. If we avoid that is to avoid the noun, means the repetition of the noun, we want to avoid that. Suppose Ram is going to market and he is purchasing different kind of goods on the market. He is drinking water, he is taking so and so. So to in place of Ram, first sentence it is given Ram is going to market, we are talking about Ram, but we don't need to change, that is we don't need to repeat that word Ram. So instead of Ram, in the second sentence we are telling he is purchasing materials or different goods and he is drinking water, he is roaming here and there, etc. So he is a word that is used for Ram. So to avoid the repetition, the name of Ram, that is the name Ram, that's why we use he. So we can say that is a pronoun. So pronouns, although pronouns are different kinds, first of all we want to discuss about what is personal noun. Pronoun. Personal pronoun, actually it is used in place of a particular name or thing. Like I have told you, instead of Ram, Ram is a proper noun, and what we do, instead of Ram, in the second sentence we are using he is purchasing. Suppose Ram is going to market and he is purchasing a different kind of goods from the market. So instead of Ram, Ram is a proper noun and we are using he instead of Ram. So that he is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, actually if you want to know, that is three kinds of personal pronoun are there. That is, you will find the different forms. There are three type of forms you will find. That is, first one is nominative, second one is possessive, third one is accusative. This type of the personal pronoun is divided into three forms. First one is, that is nominative form, then second one is possessive form, third one is, that is accusative form. So how you will find whether this noun is in nominative form? If you ask the question who, then you will get the answer. Suppose if I, who did this, I did this. Who did this? Who did this? He did this. Who did this? They did this. So that is, you will find when we are asking who, then we will find that is nominative form. So there are three types of first person, second person and third person are there. In the first person there is singular form and plural form. In the first nominative and first person in nominative form, if we think about, we discuss about the singular, then it must be I. The singular form in nominative form, is it in this when will, that is I is first person singular, where first person plural is we. Like you in second person you, or in second person in singular you, and also in the plural form also same you can be used. So in, if we move to third person singular, that is he, she, it. These are the forms, nominative form, third person, in the third person singular form. If we move to the plural form, we will find that is they. it is plural form of third person in personal pronoun. If we move to that is possessive form, possessive, if you ask the question whose, then you will get the answer of nominative form. Suppose which book is this? Which book this? It is mine, it is his, it is your, it is mine, it is our, it is there. So you will find that is when you are asking about that is the possessive form, then we must use, if you ask the question which, you will get the reply. So in first person singular, that is personal pronoun belongs to that is mine, mine or mine. And in the plural form, that will be our or ours. If we move to second person, in the singular, your, in plural, yours. If we move to third person, then we can say it is his, her, its. And the plural form, it will be their or theirs. Is it? And so in this case, whenever you ask the question, suppose I will ask you which book is this? Well, this is my book. My word is used no, and you will find that suppose if you use my books, so you will find in the possessive form. And if you move to the accusative form, to know about the accusative form of the pronoun, if you ask the question whom, then you will get the reply. Suppose if I ask to whom I will give this money, to me. Me is the word. That is when we are asking whom, we will get the answer in the form of that is accusative form. So in first person singular, that is me, and if you move to plural form of first person, that is us, us. And if we move to second person, the similar thing in the accusative form, you will find you, and the singular form also in the plural form you. If we move to a singular form of the accusative case, then what will, this is him, her, it in the singular form. And if we move to plural form, that is them, then you will get the answer. So although I want to teach you, I will teach you in the class in details. For just your preliminary preparations, I am telling this. Is it? So actually you think about when we are going through, without language no one will be in literature. You must need language to develop your literature. So if since the beginning, if you are not giving importance to your foundation, then you will be gone. So whenever you are preparing yourself for the literature, you first give emphasis on language. So in detail I will teach you the day after tomorrow. I will tell you, okay, through the YouTube. Thank you. Dear students, if you have any doubt in your minds, then you can give your comment and you can ask me the question in the next class. Is it clear? So you can give your comment if you have any doubt. Although I am also not satisfied, because we must need a blackboard and chalk to clear your doubts. Still, I will try my level best to clear your doubts.